Have you also had the issue of your DJI Osmo Pocket making weird noises in the background when you're using it in selfie mode? I had huge issues to the point that I thought I wouldn't be able to use it in selfie mode at all, but then I calibrated the gimbal and that actually solved the problem. So if you're facing these issues, and I will play an example clip right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to make a quick video just to show you how to move one WordPress website into another domain. Did you hear that in the background? Just try to calibrate your gimbal and see if that helps you with the problem. Calibrating the gimbal is fairly simple. You just turn the Osmo Pocket on, you swipe down to reach the settings, and in the upper right corner you have calibration. You click that one and then OK. It says place on flat surface, and then it takes a little while and the gimbal calibrates. It says gimbal calibrated, and now when I tested filming again in selfie mode, it worked perfect with both sound and image. Have a very nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.